Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irfa Hikmatul Hulikia from study number 161. I will explain presentation review journal about the electronic stethoscope equipped with AOT-based remote monitoring to detect disease symptoms. Abstract. The technique or method often used for initial examination by medical personnel is the stethoscope. However, there is still a lack of inaccurate result when diagnosing symptoms of heart defects. Furthermore, the method used in this research is to use a condenser mic output BPM value and create an analog filter to eliminate noise interference, which was the main obstacle in previous research. This research makes it for doctor to diagnose because it is equipped with a disease symptom detector. Next, introduction. The rapid development of medical equipment technique has made the health service system better and more professional. Public awareness of the importance of health calls early self-examination. Many techniques have been developed to make initial diagnosis faster and more accurate. One of the heart diseases that often occurs in society as a cause of death costs more than 13%. The author has not any remote monitoring for analyzing heartbeat sound signal via IoT using the Android system. Apart from that, there is also no analysis to detect symptoms of heart abnormalities, so it is hoped that this will make it easier for doctors to analyze and monitor signal. Therefore, the current research was carried out with the aim of creating a IoT system for electronic stethoscope value output and creating analog filter. Next, material and method. ASP32 microcontroller as a control system and data transmission via the Internet of Things or IoT is displayed on Android with the Blink system. A condenser microphone is placed on the patient chest to detect pressure change. The test was carried on 6 respondents. After that, the signal is filtered using an analog signal circuit. Next, block diagram. A condenser microphone is placed on the patient chest to detect change in pressure. The output from the condenser mic is then processed by an analog signal circuit, then programmed by the microcontroller to process the signal at BPM. Microcontroller is sent via the Wi-Fi network to Android system. Next, flowchart. The flowchart begins with initializing the microcontroller connection connect to Wi-Fi. The data received by Wi-Fi on Android is then processed on the microcontroller, which will then display the BPM value. If the heartbeat stops, there will be a notification in the Android system which function as a warning for the user to make immediate action. Next, result. One measurement result in respondent. In the measurement of this study, their comparison of BPM reading measurement were carried out, including reading on the module that had been reading on the oximeter and reading sent through the Blink application display on Android. Next, two statistical test results using t-test in order to find out whether there were significant difference in the measurement of each display, namely the LCD display oximeter and Blink system reading display on Android cell phone. T-test statistic tests but are carried out using the p-value of more than 0.005. Next, conclusion from 5 respondents, the Higgs error value was obtained at 0.167 bpm, indicating that this value is still with the standard value set. For further research, the author will develop a IoT system with a better system than application other than Blink because the flashing application still has shortcomings, that is, each account must have a token. Next, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.